Guys, ChatGPT has just changed the design game forever. In recent weeks, it has become easier than ever to create best-selling designs using AI. The AI revolution, it is scary, but it is also our responsibility to stay ahead of the times, learn how to use AI, and learn how to use it to put more money in our own pockets. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna run through the new capabilities of ChatGPT and show you the best ways to use it to create best-selling designs that will indeed put more money in your pockets in just a matter of minutes, guys. And now look, I've been selling on Etsy myself for a fair few years now, and I have not witnessed anything this powerful before. And so I don't want to waste any time. Let's get straight into it. And of course, to make money on ChatGPT this way, guys, the first thing that we need to do is, of course, come up with a best-selling design or a best-selling design concept. And the first point you always want to start is with design research. So you see I'm on Etsy here, guys, and let's say I want to make a design for a sweatshirt, okay? A best-selling sweatshirt design, which is going to put loads of money in our pocket. So first thing, head to Etsy, and this is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm just going to type in at the very start, sweatshirt. That's it. And then this is where the magic starts to happen, guys. So you want to go to all filters, scroll down. So first I'm just going to go physical items just to take out all of the mockups. You want to hit star seller. You might have heard this tip before. Going to show results. And then what you actually want to do here, guys, is go up to the search bar. So go up to the address bar, look at where it says the word star and replace that with the word best. And then just do a research. And then you see what that's going to do here, guys. It's going to bring up all of the ones that's got these bestseller and popular now tags. So you can hedge your bets, guys, that all of these designs that's being showed up here, they're pretty good designs that people are buying and they're making a lot of sales. So first thing, of course, guys, spend the time doing the research, take whatever time you need. For the purpose of this video, I like this cat eating ramen. Okay, I love ramen and cats are all right. I prefer dogs, but cats are all right. So I'm going to take this, and what I want to do, and I'm going to show you in today's video, is I want to create my own design concepts based off of a cat or an animal, say, eating a bowl of noodles. That's what I'm gonna do. So first things first, guys, before we do anything, take a screenshot of the design, just like that, okay? We'll keep that in the back pocket for later. Now, I'm gonna head over to ChatGPT. With that design in mind, I wanna show you 3 different ways that we can make our own best-selling versions of that design. The first way is to simply go to ChatGPT and just ask it to create an image and just describe the image in our own words. So I'm just gonna quickly type a quote in here, ask ChatGPT to make me the image, and let's see what it comes up with. And so to save time, guys, this is the quote that I'll put in, and let's see what it gives me. Okay, guys, so this is the image it's given me from that description, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I actually really like it. If anything, I don't know, do I like it more than that bestseller? I probably prefer the bestseller more, but still, just from describing the image, I haven't done this before. It's the first time I just tried it. That's not bad, guys. And again, you could write in whatever you want. You could describe it in different ways, ask it to change different things. You could ask it to add some chicken to the noodles if you want, or put a cap on the cat, whatever. Of course, you can do that. That is method 1. Now, let me show you guys method 2. So you remember we took a screenshot of the design. I'm just going to create a new chat here, and I'm going to add the photo to the chat as a reference. And so you see here, guys, I've just uploaded the design reference image, and I've basically just asked ChatGPT to analyze the design and make its own more unique variation of the design. So let's see what it comes up with using this method 2. Hey, okay, guys, so this is the one that is made from design reference, and you can see, guys, this was the design reference I gave it. Again, it's pretty good. That is pretty close going, to be fair. Of course, it's not so similar, but it probably is a little bit too similar. I'd almost feel a bit guilty selling this personally. So yeah, you could add in other prompts and ask it to change like different aspects of the design. So let's ask it to put a cowboy hat on. No way, it's actually putting a cowboy hat on. Okay, that's looking pretty good so far. Guys, I love it. Okay, I love it. That is such a cool piece of art. So you see here, just asked it to add a cowboy hat. There you go. Okay, now I think that's better than the bestseller. I would very happily put that on a t-shirt. I'd put it on a sweatshirt. I'd wear it, man. I think that's cool. And guys, I just want to say, if you are someone that's like super interested in making money online and making money on Etsy specifically, then I do run an Etsy community, which is called the Etsy Accelerator. It's got all the training courses in that you need to set up a successful Etsy business. New training added monthly. Obviously, you get access to both myself and other 5- and 6-figure Etsy sellers. You also get daily trending product reports from Etsy of products that are doing very well, design trends that are doing very well, that of course, like we're doing in this video, you can very easily take them and make your own versions of. It's got all the SEO that's done for you as well, so you don't have to worry about SEO if you wanted to do this method. And guys, it's at a very, very big discounted rate for the first 100 members for lifetime. If you want to get in, there is going to be a link in the video description to check it out if it's of interest to you. Otherwise, no problem. Let's get on to the third method now of creating best-selling designs. And this is to upload the image and then get ChatGPT to give us a prompt that we can then use to create our own version of the bestseller. So I'm just going to upload the image here, guys, as reference. And again, I'm just going to ask it to actually give me a prompt that I can then use to create my own version of the design. And of course, edit the prompt wherever I need to. Okay, so you see here, it's analyzed the design and it has given me a prompt that I could use. So I'm just going to copy this. It's also giving me some different optional customization options. So anyway, I can just copy this, open up a new chat. So I'm just going to paste the prompt in here, guys, that it gave me. Say, create a design of a highly detailed black cat. And we'll see what ChatGPT gives us doing it this way. Okay, that's very cartoony. So as you can see already, guys, this already is quite different to when you actually use the design image as reference. So that's one thing to bear in mind. Now, it has followed the prompt. Personally, I think this is cool. You can make a pretty good SVG out of this, but personally, I did prefer the other two options. And now, guys, just to show you the quality of the artwork that ChatGPT is now producing, guys, I'm going to go away. I'm going to take some of the designs that we've made together on here. I'm just going to put the images of them as I'm talking through this now so that you can see what they actually look like on different mockups, on t-shirts, on mugs, for example. And yeah, I think you can see, guys, the quality is definitely there. And like I say, guys, if you're someone that loves creating AI artwork like this, you love selling AI digital products online, then I've done a whole video going through some of the most trending digital products that you can sell using AI in 2025. That's gonna make you some money. I know it is if you do them right. If you want to check them out with full tutorials, then I recommend to take a look at this video here. I think it's going to really help you. Otherwise, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you loads. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.